All right, this is episode 2 of Saving Gabby, the 1987 snapper mower. I just wanted to keep you up to speed on where we are now with this thing. Surprisingly, I assumed this blade was a 20-incher because it looked short. And usually that's what they are when the blade is short. But this is actually surprisingly, it's a 19-inch blade. A lot of it's worn off. And so I went on eBay and couldn't believe I found one, and really at a great price. So I found a blade for this thing, brand new, designed to fit this, and it is indeed a 19-inch blade, and it was $10 on eBay, so I was happy about that. Now, since the last video I posted on Gabby, I was telling you about the rewinder that had just rusted through. These parts here had just rusted out, and this whole piece had just come off. So this is a salvage rewinder. I'm trying to keep it with the, I couldn't get a white one, but at least that's the Briggs & Stratton logo. With the bag on, I can't use a rewinder that goes that way because it's just going to hit the bag. So it's going to have to be in the front. So the user is going to have to, clamp the kill switch up there with something like that, or a piece of string, whatever, and hold it down. And put their foot here, over on the side, maybe this corner, and pull the cord. But this mower does have compression, and after a couple of pulls with a little bit of starter fluid squirted in that filthy carburetor throat, it did fire. So I think this thing's going to run. I wanted to show you what I ran into with this thing, because these are old mowers, and interesting the way they used to do them. That's the kill wire right there that comes off and grounds out there on the deck. And what happens is when the little dial that was on top of the rewinder would turn this and move to right there, and that's the, let me get somebody point, that's the connection right there that will kill it, and you'll see it move when it's right there. So boop, that will kill it and ground it out, and the motor will stop. Now I'm probably not even going to use that. But we'll see. I'm probably just going to use that method up there to kill it once I'm done with this. But I did also want to show you this. This is the, I'm going to tilt this back a little so you can see what came off of here. This was the blade. I do like the way these old snappers have this lip that then, buttresses up against that square piece, that adapter. And I did use a jaw puller to get this adapter off, because I was thinking about changing it to a more modern one, but that doesn't work with this, because this adapter, and I've got it on there too tight right now, but this adapter is the really old style that there is not a key groove in the crankshaft. It goes all the way up. There's a little short one that you have a little kind of a metal plug in here that's loose, and you put it on the crankshaft, then you slide the adapter over, and it slides over that metal key that is loose that you put in there. So if you get one of these and take it apart, just be aware that when you take this off, you keep an eye out for that thing. It's only same as a flywheel key. It's about that size, but it's steel. It's not a soft metal. It's the keyway, and then if you hit something with it, then the one that's going to shear is the one up there on the under the flywheel. But just wanted to show you what you're going to run into if you get one of these old things. If you drain the oil in this one, it's got a very prominent drain cock there that you would unscrew. I've removed this, the chute that throws the grass into the bag, so I can get to this tank, because I'm going to take this tank off. I may try and save it, but chances are it's so old that it's not going to be any good. And I'll stick a more modern tank on there and connect it to those linkages up there, and it should be okay. So that's where we are with this guy right now for episode 2. When I get my blade in, which they said it would be about a week or 2, I'll do episode 3 on Gabby, the 1987 snapper, and we'll see how things go from there. Stay tuned.